Snake Island, like the other islands in El Nido, is a beautiful place to swim or bath in the crystal clear turquoise. But it is the only island that will give you the experience and feeling of walking in the sea. Snorkeling along the coastline allows you to observe the marine life beneath it, including small fish, sea turtles, corals, and starfish shoreline. Snake Island is also a paradise with greenery and plenty of mangroves, which monkeys are common and should be avoided. It also has a tiny shed on top of a hill with a spectacular bird's eye perspective of the snake-like sand trail and a panoramic view of Bakit Bay and the adjacent El Nido. First is snorkeling. Explore the underwater world including small fish, sea turtles, corals, and starfish along the shoreline. Next is hiking. Climb to the top of the island for a stunning bird's eye view of the snake-like and thrill and panoramic views of Bakit Bay and nearby El Nido Islands. Next is island hopping. Snake Island is part of Tour B Island hopping. Tours departing from El Nido, allowing you to explore multiple islands in one day. Next is swimming. Enjoy the clear, swallowed waters on both sides of the sandbar, perfect for relaxation. Next is walking on the sandbar. Experience the unique natural wonder of walking on the sandbar, connecting the island to the mainland during low tide. Last is relaxation. Lay down in the shallow waters and enjoy the serene atmosphere, although be prepared for a crowd as many boats stop here.